Hi there, I'm Tim, Head of Marketing at Ahrefs, and I'm excited to present to you Blogging for Business. It is a very detailed, cut-to-the-chase video course that will teach you how to grow traffic to your blog and turn it into a solid customer acquisition channel for your business. 3 things. First, this entire course is based on a true story of how we took our own blog from a resource that hardly anyone knew about to one of the most popular and reputable blogs in our industry. In terms of traffic, we went from less than 15,000 visitors per month back when I just joined Ahrefs to over 150,000 visitors per month when I started working on this course. As of today, the search traffic to our blog looks almost like a hockey stick, and I'm going to show you exactly how we achieved that. It took me 6 years and 8 different blogs to figure out the tactics and strategies that actually work. So in this course you'll be getting 6 years of blood, sweat and tears condensed into 10 video lessons packed with actionable content marketing and SEO strategies. I honestly wish this course existed back when I was just starting out. It would have saved me a lot of wasted time and money. Second, seeing your blog traffic grow is obviously both exciting and satisfying. But you're running a business, right? The last time I checked, they didn't accept traffic in the banks. So you have to make sure that you're attracting the kind of traffic that will convert into paying customers for your business. Trust me, I'm a huge advocate of content marketing that brings customers and sales, not just arbitrary traffic numbers. And that's why I named this video course Blogging for Business. And finally, number 3. It took me almost a year to carefully outline and record all 10 video lessons of this course. And judging by the feedback from people who took it already, I was able to impress even seasoned marketing professionals, not just newbie bloggers. But after creating this course, I decided to go even further and interviewed 3 awesome people, asking them all sorts of challenging questions. I interviewed Noah Kagan about growing an audience, I interviewed Brian Harris about list building, and they interviewed Ramsey Tapling about starting a blog from scratch. These 3 bonus interviews are a real icing on the cake, trust me. So what are you even waiting for? Grab the course and I'll see you inside.